Hi friends, so today I am going to review this Portronics USB-C multi-port adapter. See, it has 1 year warranty. So it has USB 3 port, then one HDMI port, then Type C female port. Then here you can see Type C male port. So MRP is 1499. So let me open it. So we get this manual. So in this manual they have mentioned connection method. The quality of this cable is very good. You can see the ports. This is a USB 3 port, HDMI port and Type C port. So we can connect this to mobile phone like this. Okay, so then in mobile phone you can see it has detected. Here you can see your phone's USB Type C port should support video out or HDMI alt mode. After that, we can use HDMI cable to connect this adapter to Smart TV and share mobile screen with Smart TV. We can connect it to laptop like this. Using HDMI cable, we can connect laptop to Smart TV. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel.